everybody. My name is Raul Singh Frank, and I am a junior graduate in the field of computer science. I was born in the United States, but my parents, grandparents, and some of my relatives are from the country of Haiti. As you may know, Haiti is the first independent black country in the world. But there is a very urgent crisis that I would like to address to all of you. At the beginning of 2023, the United Nations reported that 5.1 million Haitians are at risk for either food insecurity or worse, starvation. Our goal here is to raise funds to purchase 2 million pounds of corn and organic fertilizers so that the Haitians can not only grow their own food, but also to harvest them as well. Now, in the country of Haiti, corn is used to make 20 different dishes in the kitchen. It is also used to be transformed into a wide variety of other foods like syrup, popcorn, cereal, and much, much more. I ask that all of you donate on this cause. And to donate, you can go to www.hadev.org, or you can Zelle us at 434-436-0444. For further inquiries about our campaign and also our company, you can call us at 443-538-0025. Again, to donate, go to www.hadev.org. To Zelle us, you can Zelle at 434-436-0444. And for further inquiries about our company and our campaign, you can call us at 443-538-0025. Thank you. May God bless you, and may God continue to provide you the light.